Hi class, welcome to your homework assignment. As we discussed in class, you will be writing a compare and contrast essay on the Sullivan-Ballou text and the Louisa May Alcott text within the next coming weeks. And these are some of the topics of exploration you can write about. And today we will be looking at some brainstorming activities in order to help you figure out what you would like to pick as your topics of exploration in order to help you write your thesis statement and organize your essay. These are your graphic organizer options. So in this video, I will be sharing each option and you can go ahead and choose which one you want to use. You only have to select one of the following three options and neither one is better than the other. You are doing the same work for each of the graphic organizers. The way in which the information is organized is just a little bit different and it's all based on preference. So I will go ahead and show them to you so that you can pick which one you want to use. You do have to download each of the files. So for example, after watching this video, you decide you would like to choose graphic organizer option 1. So you'll click here and it downloads it onto your desktop. And that is how you will be able to write on the document, okay? So now that we have that opened, this is how option 1 looks like. So you will decide if subject 1 will be Louisa May Alcott's text or if it will be the Sullivan-Ballou text. And whoever you choose as subject 1, of course, the other person will be subject 2. It's your preference who you would like to make subject 1 or subject 2, as long as, of course, you have both of them and are listing differences and similarities for both. So on the left square, you'll write the differences that are unique to subject 1, and on the right side, you'll write the differences that are unique to subject 2. And of course, in the middle where it says same, you will write the qualities that subject 1 and subject 2 have in common, the areas in which they are similar, okay? And now I will show you how option number 2 looks. And of course, you'll have to download this one as well, just like we did for option 1. And this is how option 2 looks like. It's a Venn diagram. And so just as you would do if you were doing option 1, or as I explained in option 1, you will choose who your subject 1 and who your subject 2 are going to be, either Louisa May Alcott or the Sullivan-Ballou text. And on the left, you'll write all the qualities that are unique to subject 1. And of course, again, on the right, you'll be writing all the qualities that are unique to subject 2. In the middle, as you would guess, you'll be writing the similarities between the two subjects. And now I will show you how to access graphic organizer option 3. So of course, if you chose to do option number 3, you would go ahead and download it in that same assignments folder. And this is how option number 3 looks. As I said, you're doing essentially the same. The concepts behind each graphic organizer are the same. It's just the way the ideas are going to be placed on your paper that are different. So again, anywhere on this area where there are black text boxes, you will write all the qualities that are unique to subject 1. And go ahead and write who subject 1 is and specify that so you can remain organized. And then you'll do the same for subject 2. Where you see the red text boxes, those are where you'll be writing any similarities between subject 1 and subject 2. For all of the options, whichever one you choose, make sure you're writing more than 3 to 4 points for each of the similarities and each of the differences, okay? Because you are going to need to have enough information in order for you to decide what you want your topics of exploration to be. Once you are done with your brainstorm, you're going to go back into Schoology, and there is going to be a submit option on the right side of this assignment. Go ahead and click submit, and then there's going to be an option to upload. click on the upload option, and it's going to bring up files on your desktop. And one of the files, of course, will be your graphic organizer. Click on the graphic organizer and upload it into Schoology and submit it. Now, after you submit your brainstorm, you're going to go back into the Drafting Your Essay file folder, and you're going to click on this assignment labeled Constructing Your Thesis Statement. Click on it, and it'll open this. And the directions are to fill out, of course, the graphic organizer, and then create your thesis statement. If you need any help creating your thesis statement, you can refer back to our PowerPoint from today's class. It is located in the same folder at the top, and it's labeled Intros and Thesis Statement PowerPoint. So you can go ahead and look at that again and get a refresher in order to write your thesis statement. And this is why you did your brainstorm, so that you have an idea of the sort of differences and similarities between the two texts in order for you to get an idea of what your topics of exploration can be. So for example, if you notice that a lot of the similarities and differences that you found and that you wrote about on your brainstorm were about mood or about theme, then you know that those can potentially be topics of exploration that you can write about in your essay. I will be providing feedback in order to help you and make sure you're on the right track in order for you to have a strong foundation in order to write your essay. So once you have finished your brainstorm and after you have finished submitting your thesis statement, you are done with your homework assignment. So good luck with your brainstorm. Good luck with your thesis statement. You got this.